In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off work offline mode in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever found yourself wondering why your Outlook emails aren't syncing or why you're unable to send or receive messages, chances are you might be working offline without even realizing it. This is a common scenario, but don't worry, because today, we'll walk through the steps to get Outlook back online and functioning seamlessly. First, let's make sure you've got your Outlook desktop app open. This is where you'll be able to make the changes needed. Getting to know the layout of your Outlook is crucial, especially because it can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming with all the features it offers. Now, look towards the top right corner of your Outlook window. You should see a small icon that looks like a gear. This is the Settings gear icon, and clicking on it will open the menu where you can access various configurations for your Outlook account. Once you click on the Settings gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear, offering a few different paths to follow. Your task here will be to navigate to the section labeled General. Under General, you'll find a subsection titled Offline. This area is important because it's where you can manage your offline settings, and as it happens, where our journey today will continue. With the Offline section open, you'll see a toggle option that reads Enable Offline Email, Calendar, and People. This toggle is your key to either turning on or turning off offline mode. If your Outlook is working offline and you want to bring it back online, go ahead and toggle this switch off. Doing this will ensure that your emails, calendar, and contacts start syncing over the internet again, just like before. The final step, which is absolutely crucial, is to click on the Save button. This step might seem small, but it's not one you should overlook. Clicking Save ensures that your changes are applied and that the offline mode is truly turned off. Without this step, all previous actions might need to be repeated, which isn't ideal, especially if you're eager to get back to your emails. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off work offline mode in Microsoft Outlook. Remember, these same steps can also be used if you ever need to turn the offline mode back on. Hopefully, this guide helps to make your emailing tasks just a bit smoother. If you have any questions or run into any issues, be sure to reach out. There's always more to learn and new ways to optimize your Outlook experience. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.